Hey everybody, Tony at the Referral Auto Group, and we're 8 short days away from our RV buying seminar, the Educated Buyer Arming You for the Journey Ahead, that we've scheduled for April 5th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. here at our facility, 1444 First Street in Escalon, California. Come on out and see us. Make sure to RSVP. This is for the first-time buyer as well as a repeat offender. I just put some information at the bottom of the screen. Call. Make sure you reserve your seat. I'm going to be honored to have you as my guest. Again, 2 hours. I guarantee you'll never buy the wrong RV, whether from a private party or a dealer. We're even going to serve you coffee and donuts. And not only that, I don't want you taking notes. I'm going to send you out with everything we discuss printed up so that you can review it later. This is a PowerPoint presentation. We'll move fast through it. It's only 2 hours. Invest the time, because if you don't, you're going to need an upgrade. An upgrade just means you messed up and you weren't given the time to make an appropriate decision for you and your family. You made the perfect one for the sales guy. So coming out and see us, we'd surely love to have you. Make sure to call and RSVP. Again, April 5th, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. here at our facility, 1444 First Street, a 2-hour PowerPoint presentation, and I guarantee you'll never buy the wrong RV. We look forward to seeing you.